Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Innal hamdalillah nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruh wa na'udzubillahi min syururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina. May yahdihillahu fala mudhillalah wa may yudhlil fala hadiyalah. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh la nabiyya ba'da. Summa rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli amma ba'd. First of all, let's say Alhamdulillah. Praise be to Allah, the Lord of the world, the King of the kings, the Creator of everything, who has given us the mercy and blessing until we can be together in this place today. Salawat and salam to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who has brought us from the darkness to the lightness. Okay, and don't forget to thanks our teacher, Dr. Haji Amri Tanduklangi, who has given us this opportunity to presentation about education application is EDMODO. Okay, first my name is Wahidin Darius. I'm as cameraman. I'm from group 5 and my friends.
My name is Safri.
Okay, my name is Lamande.
Okay, my name is Sulfawan.
Okay, my name is Ciri Harinur Soleh Haridwan.
Okay.
Well, my name is Waoden Raminallah. My name is Wadam Rina. My name is Nur Liliati. My name is Siti Nurul Hikmah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everybody.
Morning, sir.
How are you today?
I'm fine. You, sir?
I'm fine too, thank you. Okay, today we will discuss about an application. Would you like to tell me what is that? What is the application we want to discuss now? Okay, yes. Okay, EDMODO. Have you heard that words? In general, what is EDMODO is?
Yes. Application education. Yes, that's it.
Thank you. Okay. That's a good answer. Now let's study about EDMODO. EDMODO is a personal microblogging platform developer for teachers and students, prioritizing student privacy. Teachers and students can share notes, links, and documents. Teachers also have the ability to send warning, events, and assignment to students and may decide to post something in a time frame that is publicly visible. EDMODO is a social media platform that is often described as Facebook for school and can function even more as needed. Again, talking about history of EDMODO, EDMODO was founded by Nicholas Berg and Jeff O'Hara, two people working in separate schools in the Chicago area. EDMODO itself is a social network, microblogging media that is safe for students and teachers. On this site, parents can also join and communicate with teachers and parents of the other students. In addition, of course, with their own son or daughter. Now, EDMODO has grown rapidly and already has approximately 7 million accounts, consist of teachers and students. Okay, silakan.
Thank you for the time, sir. My question is why we have to know about history of EDMODO.
Okay, thank you. That's a good question. As we know, before we know everything, we must know the history about something. Why we must know about the history of EDMODO? Because the history of EDMODO is the basic of EDMODO. So we must know the history of EDMODO. Okay, let me continue. Okay, I will next I will explain about the feature contains in EDMODO. Okay, EDMODO has features that are specific to support learning activities. EDMODO classifies features based on the users, teachers, and students. Below is features available on EDMODO. 1. Assignment. 2. File and links. 3. Quiz. 4. Polls. The next is gradebook, and then library, and word pages, and the last is parent codes. Okay. Do you understand, guys?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any questions so far? Okay, please.
Okay, thank you. The opportunity is given me to ask question. My question is, what feature in the use of teacher to provide value to the student?
Okay, thank you for the question. Okay, I will answer. The feature is gradebook. The gradebook feature is used to as a record of students' grades. Grading can be done by teachers and can be filled manually or automatically. Automatic charging can only be done based on assignment and quiz score. Okay, that is the answer. Okay.
Can you tell me the feature of the EDMODO quiz?
Okay.
And I want to ask if only the teacher can make the quiz.
Okay, thank you. Yes, of course, that's only the teacher. But sometimes the students can make a quiz that is by the teachers by the teachers. So the quiz is made by the teacher for doing by the students. Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Ochen.
Sir,
Okay.
and can you tell me about some the features of EDMODO?
Okay, I will explain about the features. First, assignment. Assignment is used by teachers to assign assignments to students online. This feature comes with a deadline time and a tag file features, so student can submit tasks in the form of files directly to the teacher. In addition, the assignment shipment also has a turn-in button that indicates that the student has completed their task. Teacher can directly provide an assessment of the result of tasks that have been done students. Given score will automatically be saved in the gradebook feature. Okay, the next is file and links. In these features, teacher and students can send message by attaching files and links to class groups, students or another teachers. The tag file applies to all types of extension like doc and etc. Okay, the next is quiz. Quiz. I have explained about quiz. So the next is polls. Okay, polls. Polls can only be created by the teachers to be shared with students. Usually, teachers use polls to find out which students' responses are about a particular subject matter. Below is a view of a poll about the students' response to the material before the lesson is given. Okay. Okay. The next is gradebook. The gradebook features is used as a record of student grade. Grading can be done by the teachers and can be filed manually or automatically. Automatic charting can only be done based on assessment and quiz scores. Gradebook rating can be exported to a CSV file. In this feature, the teacher organizes the assessment of student learning outcomes. The teacher can set the maximum value on each subject value. The total value is the percentage of the overall value of each student automatically by the system. For quiz assessment is automatically filled by the system based on the quiz result of each student. In students, this feature can only be seen as a recap of value in the form of graphs and direct assessment. Okay, the next is library. This feature is used as a storage place for various learning research with deserved content. With the library feature, teacher can upload teaching materials, presentation, reference, research, image, video, audio, and another digital content. Link and file contained in the library can be shared to both students and groups. Students can also add content that teachers share in the library. This feature can be used as a medium to accommodate various search from inside and outside, so that students can store various information from outside but still access through EDMODO. Okay, that is about library. Next is award badges. This feature is used to reward both students and groups. The awards can be determined by the teacher itself, so as not to hamper the teacher's creativity in rewarding. And the last is parent codes. These features serves to allow parents or guardians each student can join to monitor the learning activities and assignments of his son's lesson. The teacher must access the code for parents of students and parents. Okay, that is the explain about the features. Any questions so far?
Okay.
Okay, please.
Okay. Thank you for the opportunity given to me. How to ask? The question me. Can you help me example the feature of EDMODO?
Okay, the feature, the example of the feature in EDMODO.
Okay.
Like this, you can see by the picture. Assignment. Like this, you can see.
Yes, sir. What is that? Oh, yes. Is
Okay.
for that, for assessment?
For assignment.
Oh, yes.
This is the example for assignment.
Yes.
Okay.
Next.
Okay, the next is quiz. Like this. Can you see this?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Yes, sir.
This.
And
Okay. Next is polling.
yes.
Okay. Next is gradebook. Like this, you can see the value by the teacher to the students in here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, next, sir.
The next is library. Like this, you can watch video in this and quiz here.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, that is the example of some features in EDMODO. Okay, let me continue about the explanation in EDMODO. Okay, EDMODO implication for learning. Okay, EDMODO, like other learning aids, can be just an online platform to encourage teacher learning, or it can be a more creative way to engage students in collaborative learning and distribute cognitive. EDMODO is not the answer for every class, but most importantly, it provides an important aspect of a positive learning environment. EDMODO also provides several features to support e-learning or electronic learning, such as assignment, quiz, and rating. EDMODO provides social media tools for teachers and students, enabling them to share notes, links, and files in modern way. Teacher also have the ability to send warning to students about activities and tasks. Okay. They will also have the option to send items to public timeline. The useful thing is also the calendar that can get everyone to know about upcoming exam and other events and special events. This platform gives students a pathway to interact with their colleagues and their teacher in an academic setting.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Okay, I will continue. Furthermore, the use of this platform can teach students how to behave in a guaranteed security. Essentially, this platform is easy to learn and easy to use, especially for provides an environment where teaching and learning can generate students as excitement. Okay. Students become more independent without forget the standard of measuring student success. It cannot be denied that students will love learning through this platform. And when students feel happy, they desire to be able to cope with new and difficult materials will increase. Okay. EDMODO is one way to build the spirit of students to learn. Okay. The next is there someone can read this part of the material about EDMODO implication for learning? Maybe you? Okay.
Yes.
Can you read the part from 1 until 11? Okay. Please give it. Okay, and you must write the important point of the material because next I will give you some quiz. Maybe.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I will read a little about material. EDMODO is an answer to a convenient and secure virtual classroom because the first, similar to Facebook, easy to use. Second, free, accessible online and available for smartphone device or Android and iPhone. Third, does not require server at school. Fourth, accessible wherever and whenever. Fifth, EDMODO is always updated by developers. Sixth, EDMODO can be applied in one class, one school, between schools in one city or district. 7. EDMODO can be used for students, teachers, and parents. 8. EDMODO is used to communicate use social media models, learning materials, and evaluation. 9. EDMODO supports team teaching, Good teachers and teacher collaboration models. 10. There is a notification. And 11. Batch features can be utilized to improve student motivation. That's all I can read.
Okay, maybe we continue by your friend in your slide.
Next, 11. Students can interact in the monitoring of the teacher or of cybercrime and cyberbullying. The teacher can look students so he can only read and cannot comment on the whole class, but still he can communicate directly with his teacher.
Okay, just read.
30. Class graph collaboration. Only those who have group code that can follow the class means that no outsiders can log in and view the virtual class created by a teacher without getting the special code from the teacher in question. And number 40. Teacher can task question, add photos or videos, but a presentation of teaching materials. All of which are free to download by students and communicated on. Next, number 50. Students can return at any time to repeat material given by their teacher. Even PR can be provided through EDMODO. Students can also collect their homework through EDMODO. Just upload it. And next,
Action.
okay, we'll continue by my friends.
Okay, please give it.
Okay, the next, EDMODO can be combined with other sites such as Wall Wizard, Blogster, and so forth. Next, teacher can put the value of student work as a reference for student. The virtual classroom created by a teacher is unlimited. The teacher can put the teaching materials to be used in the next generation or school year. Next, students can work with other students in small group, formed by their teacher. When working on a project together, they can put all the necessary documents in the process. Next, EDMODO allows teachers to put very useful teaching material for students who do not enter or are absent while doing face-to-face. Students who are quiet can be free to speak and argue without fear of embarrassment, while the active type of child can pose questions anytime he connected to the internet. Next, teacher can teach the rules that apply in cyberspace, such as how to comment and a series of manners in cyberspace that students need to know. Okay, I think enough for me.
Okay, thank you.
Back to the lecture.
Okay. Thank you for your help. Okay. I will continue about the advantage of EDMODO. Okay. The advantage of EDMODO. 1. Users interference. Adapting a look like Facebook is simply EDMODO is relatively easy to use even for beginners too. Compatibility. EDMODO supports previewing different types of file formats such as PDF and etc. And the last is EDMODO is not only accessible by using PC from laptop or desktop, but also can be accessed by using Android-based gadget. Okay, I will explain a little about EDMODO. Implementation of online collaboration learning can be done by utilizing EDMODO program, where in one study group can provide any information to other group in concrete, verbal, and current. Utilization of EDMODO in the learning process that can be done continuously will foster a competitive education, where each study group will show the advantage of each group so as to create a quality education. Virtual learning can also be done asynchronously and for free, beyond the cost of internet connection. One of the websites that has enough features to support learning is EDMODO. Okay, any questions so far? Okay, please.
Okay, thank you for opportunity to me. My question is, what are the disadvantages of EDMODO?
Okay, thank you. That's a good question. Uh, uh, okay, I will answer about disadvantage of EDMODO. Disadvantage of EDMODO is first, social media. EDMODO is not integrated with any kind of social media, such as Facebook, Twitter, or Google+. Yet at present, almost every website is integrated with social media, so that users can share everything. Moreover, Indonesian people are more familiar to type Facebook than EDMODO. The next is language. The use of language programs that are still in English, so that sometimes difficult for teachers and students. Okay. The third is, and the last is, video conference not yet available. It is important enough to interact with students in the teacher cannot attend directly in the classroom. Okay, that is the advantage. Do you get the point? Okay, thank you. Okay.
Sir,
Okay. Always.
I want to ask something. What do you think if I say EDMODO is not good for us? EDMODO is bad.
Why you say like that? Would you like to give me a reason?
Of course I have a reason. Because of EDMODO, we lose our sociality. We lose our friends. We just stay at home, alone, just with our gadget, without our friends. So what do you think about that?
Okay, thank you. That's a good question. Okay, I will explain here. Everything in the world has advantage and disadvantage. It is the same with EDMODO and another social media. It also you can't lose your sociality because of EDMODO, but you just can communicate with your friend by using EDMODO and another social media by using a message or chatting, and I think use social media is good because you can communicate with your friend that is so far from you, and you can use it everywhere and whenever you want. Okay. You will also make a relationship with some people in somewhere with save your EDMODO, but save also your sociality. Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, the last is about the conclusion. I will read the conclusion about EDMODO. Conclusion. EDMODO is a social media platform that is often described as a Facebook for school. Software to provide warnings, assignment, assessment, polls, agenda, and assign to students. The feature of EDMODO that can be utilized by teacher and are assignment, file and links, quiz, polling, gradebook, library, award badges, and parent code. This application requires a active internet network. In addition, it requires awareness of learners to be active involved. In learning, such as another social media, EDMODO have advantage and disadvantage. Suspended, how we can use it very well. Okay. Okay, that is all about the material. Do you understand about the material?
Yes, sir.
Any questions so far?
No, sir.
Okay, because there's no question, I'll give you an explanation. Are you ready, guys?
Ready, sir.
Okay. I will write the question in this whiteboard.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just wait. I'll give you 5 questions, okay?
Yes, sir.
We write with the question, sir.
Yes, of course.
Write with the question in the paper.
What is the feature in EDMODO?
Okay. Are you ready, guys?
Ready, sir.
Okay, this is the question.
Oh my god. What limit time we
Okay.
can practice?
You must fix it until
For
4.
2020.
Okay.
It's the limit, sir.
Okay, just do it. Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay, start from now.
Sir, can I borrow your pen?
Okay.
I forget my pen in my home. Thank you, sir.
Okay, calm down, please. Don't cheat. Do it by yourself. Don't ask your friend.
No, sir.
Apa perbedaan?
Calm down, please.
What do you think about EDMODO? And forget. What do you think about EDMODO? What do you think about EDMODO? What do you think about EDMODO?
Okay, I will
I'm
I'll check the time.
Sir, it's too late, sir.
No, just do it. Okay, the timer. Okay. Do it by yourself, don't ask your friend.
Sure, sir.
Don't ask your friend, please. You don't use your laptop, please.
Yes, sir.
Sorry,
You-
sir. I just closed my book.
What is the difference between EDMODO? Before, who is the developer of EDMODO? I forget. Hey, be quiet, please.
Okay, calm down, please.
Action.
For hours,
Perbedaan bit.
between what is the features?
Apa itu bit?
Itu di antara satu dengan yang lain. Itu yang kasih.
Okay, the time is running so fast. So do it quickly, please.
I'm finished, sir.
Okay, just
I'm
wait
not
your
yet.
friend.
I'm not yet, sir.
Can I see the answer?
No, I'm shy. Yes, sir.
This is a segment language kelompok library.
Ini juga Bapak Guru.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay.
this is rule number 3. What is the difference between EDMODO and another social media? Is this social media what else? Facebook
Like
or?
Facebook and Twitter and etc.
Oh,
Okay.
thank you.
YouTube.
Okay. Do it. Have you finished, guys? Have you finished?
No.
No.
Not yet, sir.
Okay.
EDMODO.
No.
Don't cheat.
EDMODO just for education and Ilmu. In Ilmu, we can join the club.
Oke lah. Finish, sir.
Okay. Wait your friend. Okay, 10 minutes more.
No.
10 minutes.
What?
Just 10 minutes. Okay, hurry up, please.
10 minutes, sir?
Okay.
Okay. Start.
Because I know you look at everywhere every time.
I'm finished, sir.
Okay.
Android, and
Oh.
PC, and easy.
I'm finished, sir.
Okay.
So I'm finished because you slowly.
Can use everywhere and can use also what you can say.
Okay, 5 minutes again. 5 minutes.
Yeah, okay, sir.
I'm finished. I'm finished.
Okay.
And you, Sophie?
Not yet.
Finish. Masih ada
Have you finished?
No.
Okay, 2 minutes.
Okay. I'm finished,
Okay,
sir.
I'm finished, sir.
Okay. Have you finished?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, time is up.
Time is up, guys. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Now
Yes,
I want to
Sebuah, yeah.
listen about your answer. Okay.
Yes.
We can.
Okay. Okay, where is your paper? Give it to me.
Oke, sekarang sudah jam 9.50.
Okay.
Sir.
Where's your job?
Oh, iya, sir.
Okay, where is your paper? Okay. Okay. This. And then you.
Sudah terjadi.
Yes, sir.
You? Oh,
This is for you.
okay. Now.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Who wants to answer the first number?
I am, sir.
Okay. What is the answer?
In this paper of the answer, EDMODO is social network based learning platform internet for teachers, students, and parents.
Okay. You?
In this paper from Safri, EDMODO is application for process education good for teacher of student.
Okay. You?
In this paper, EDMODO is application for education good for teacher or student.
Okay. That's all. Write your answer. Okay. The next number is number 2. Who wants to answer it? You. Number 2.
I'm here
Okay. You?
with the feature in EDMODO. reviews, polling, guidebook, quiz, file and links, library, and assignment.
Okay. Anything else? Okay.
Yeah. Number 2. I don't know. Get book, quiz, and
Just
assignment.
three,
Oh,
sir.
just three, okay.
Is this false or true?
Yes, that is true, but I think I have explained the feature is 8. Okay. Okay. The next is number 3. Who want to answer? Okay. Let's.
Okay, answer is EDMODO just for education, and in EDMODO we can join the group class in Facebook for general people and not for education.
Okay. Okay. That's great. Anything else?
No
No,
answer.
sir.
No answer.
No,
No answer.
Okay.
No answer.
Okay.
No answer for education.
Sorry, just.
Is
Just
sir,
for education.
Sir,
Yes.
is this is no answer? We give the 0 or
Yes, just give 0.
0. Oh, sorry. So sorry, sir.
Okay. Number 4. Who want to answer?
Jeff.
Okay.
Who is the developer of EDMODO? The answer is Jeff O'Hara.
Yes, of course. One more. One more.
Here, sir. In this paper, answer Lamande or.
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
That is my
Perfect.
name.
Oh.
Okay. Just. Okay. Number 4 is Jeff O'Hara. Nicholas Borg. And the last number. Who want to answer? Answer. The last number. Okay, please.
Number 5. Number
Yes.
5 answer is the first. Can use in everywhere, every time.
Okay.
And second, and use for iPhone, Android, and PC.
Okay.
Third, it's easy for use and easy join.
Okay, that's good. Anything else?
I'm Jeff.
Okay.
The advantage of EDMODO reviews user interface. Editing along like Facebook. In example, EDMODO is relative easy to us even for beginners. Talk. The second, compatibility. EDMODO support previewing different types of file formats such as PDF, PDX, etc.
PowerPoint.
Okay.
3. EDMODO is not only accessible by using PC or laptop, but also can be accessed by using Android as basic gadget. Thank you.
So,
Okay. You?
provide what is the authentic quiz assignment. Adventure of EDMODO in help you to help in communicate your teacher about EDMODO.
Okay. Anything else?
In this paper, advantage of EDMODO, user interface adapting a look like Facebook. In simple, EDMODO is relating to use even for beginners too. The next, compatibility. EDMODO support previewing different types or file formats such as PDF, HTML, and ATC.
Okay.
Give me.
Okay, that's all about our exercise. Give your mark in your paper. Give mark.
False.
Okay.
This account, this false and true.
Yes, of course. Just give mark.
And true. This.
Okay, collect your paper, please. Okay. Okay.
For
Okay, wait. Okay, guys, thank you for your attention. I think enough for our meeting. Okay, we will meet in the next next week. Okay, thank you and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Ya.
Okay, bye.